of the earth creep at a snail's pace. The Republic thunders past with the rush of the express.
The railroad is really America's first big business, and as the railroad pushes west, we see settlement going up along the tracks, we see the development of the iron and steel industry, we see the development of the communications industry. The telegraph is the important communications industry at this point, and telegraph wires march right next to the railroad tracks across the United States.
What the railroads did, in very short summary, was to bring raw materials to where they might be developed or processed, to take processed goods to customers, to take people into farmlands. So you have foodstuffs traveling in one direction and materials traveling in the other direction.
The railway is the greatest centralizing force of modern times.
Between 1869 and 1894, 100,000 miles of railroad track were laid, the infrastructure for an industrial society, financed by Eastern bankers and lubricated by the brand new industry of refined petroleum.